Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a topic that can feel both exciting and a little nerve-wracking: how to safely and easily pull out baby teeth. Now, baby teeth usually fall out naturally, but sometimes they need a gentle nudge. If left too long, they might cause discomfort, and we definitely don't want that for our little ones. That's why we're sharing 5 effective and surprisingly fun methods to help those baby teeth come out with minimal fuss and maybe even a few giggles. Before we dive in, check the video description for a link to our top recommended products to support your family's oral health journey. Let's get into it. Method number 1, the classic wiggle. Encourage your child to gently move the loose tooth back and forth with their tongue. It's one of the easiest, most natural ways to help it come out, usually painless and even kind of fun. Method Tinker Wiggle. Using clean fingers, help your child gently wiggle the tooth throughout the day. The steady motion boosts mobility and encourages it to fall out naturally. Again, little to no pain involved. Method number 3, the floss trick, with a twist. Tie dental floss around the loose tooth and give it a gentle tug. The floss helps apply just enough leverage to pull the tooth out smoothly. Want to make it fun? Try tying the floss to a toy ball. Let your child throw it. Or get creative with a toy blaster. Tie the floss to the dart and let them aim and fire. The tooth comes out, and the moment becomes a fun memory. Method number 4, the tissue twist. Grab a clean tissue, grip the tooth gently but firmly, and give it a little twist. The tissue helps with grip and comfort, making this method quick and effective. Method number 5, the crunchy snack trick. Hand your child a crisp apple, carrot, or celery stick. Chewing naturally helps loosen the tooth, and it might even come out without them noticing. And there you have it, 5 gentle and effective ways to remove baby teeth at home. After the tooth is out, have your child bite gently on a piece of gauze to stop any bleeding, and don't forget to cheer them on. Losing baby teeth is a big milestone, and your encouragement makes all the difference. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical and friendly dental health tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.